One nation under God. Are we still that one nation under God? I am the daughter of a disabled Vietnam Army veteran. I am also the daughter of an Air Force officer. I myself didn't sign up for the military service. Instead, I went straight to college for 9 years. Growing up on two islands, I know Oahu and Big Island like the back of my hands. In 1892, our Pledge of Allegiance originally read, "We give our hearts and hearts to God and our country, one language, one flag." God, that's what I want to point out here. Hawaii is no longer a Christian-dominant state. Hawaii has lost its Christianity-dominant foothold. In 1923, the National Flag Conference called for the words "my flag" to be changed to the flag of the United States so that new immigrants would not confuse loyalties between their birth countries and the United States. In 1954, President Eisenhower stated that something was missing from the flag. He cited Abraham Lincoln's words, "under God," and those defining words sets the United States apart from any other nation. He stated that this nation shall, under God, have a new birth of freedom. In this way, we will constantly strengthen our spiritual weapons, which will be our country's most powerful resource in peace or in war. The pledge, now as it reads, "I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all." Our country was founded by those that believed in God Almighty and His Son, Jesus Christ. God's first commandment states that we shall not worship any other gods before Him. My time is now, and I've come out of the private sector as a real estate developer, engineer, and a scientist to set things straight, because I saw that this was a serious issue and concern for Hawaii. We don't need another career politician or a non-Christian, and that is what my opponent is, a non-Christian Hindu. Her foundation is not a Christian one, and she makes this very clear by going around the world professing her Hindu beliefs and traditions using her congressional powers, which is a violation of our First Amendment. This puts us at risk amongst other nations as we once turn our backs on God by electing non-Christian leaders to represent Hawaii. This makes God jealous, and He is a jealous God. We don't have time to mess around with the seriousness of the issues that Hawaii is faced with. These are very troubling times right now. I had people tell me that she has the freedom of religion. Well, so do I. I was born American. My father served in the Army, and my stepfather served in the Air Force, and even my grandfather served in the Navy. And that is my freedom of religion, to talk about my religion here in the middle of politics. I am protected. My fathers fought for my rights, and I am standing up and exercising our constitutional rights to be an American, to be free in our country. I am also standing up for your rights too. The escalating cost on the multi-billion-dollar rail, the victims that will succumb to cancer, climate change, energy oil crisis, homelessness, and to ensure our food and water supply stays safe are a few of my main concerns. One thing that I'd like to do is to make Hawaii 75% energy renewable, not by the year 2050, but within the next 5 years. I'd like to keep our foods we grow here in the islands instead of exporting it all away. It breaks my heart, yes it does, to see Hawaii and Americans suffer. Not every war is fought with arms and weapons. This is an economical war, a political war, and God's holy spiritual war. This is wrong for Hawaii, wrong for America, and that's why I have stepped up and to help restore Christianity back to Hawaii. We don't want to lose Hawaii to immigrant foreigners who bring their false religions and gods here. This is my Hawaii, and this is my America too. This is a movement to convert Hawaii back to Christianity with the help and the guidance from God and His special angels. My name is Angela Kaihui. I am a Christian. I believe in God Almighty. I believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God. Let's stand in the light of God's grace together. I'm working really hard, fighting for you and our families, for our Hawaii and for our kingdom and for our America. This is not just an election, it's a fight for the heart and soul of America. I am the way, the truth, and the light, Jesus said. Let's make Hawaii great again. Help to restore Christianity back to Hawaii and preserve our Hawaii. God bless America, and God bless Hawaii too. My name is Angela Kaihui, and I am your candidate for U.S. House of Representative. Come this November, I'm asking you to register if you haven't yet done so, and vote Kaihui for Congress. Thank you very much.